Yo, what is up, everybody? Say hi. Yeah, so like last time I didn't know that I had like a limited time, so turns out I only have 15 minutes. Yay! So yeah. I did my shopping without realizing that I had a more, thing. So people are saying hello. These are my new friends. We're just singing along to Billie Eilish. No. YouTube. No. So I'm gonna do stuff. So I think I'm gonna go decorate my room. Okay, so I'm in my room. As you can see, it's very ugly, so sorry. I just had to say that because wholesome. Are VIP items? I didn't even know that. Okay, well I guess I do. So look at that background. What is this? Oh my god, ew, no. Well, no. Mary Poppins! No, that's not it. Where's Mary Poppins? Ew, that's just bad. Okay, I like the Hanazuki thing, if I'm saying it right. So, my items. In the living room, I'm gonna add a chair. Damn, that's so satisfying, like, to type. I just rewatched it, and, like, it just sounds so cool. That used to be my password for, like, so much MSP accounts, but I changed them also. Don't even try logging in. It's not gonna work. If you do log in, I'm not really, like, pissed because, like, this account is not that good, so yeah. Hey, wait. Oh my god. Hey, y'all. A YouTube video. Say hi. Say hi. No. Alright, like, they just don't care. Let's go try and make some friends, because aesthetic. Oh, how much time do I have to say aesthetic? This is just a mess. Yo, getting VIP maybe soon. Single love life. YouTube new account. Dublin boy MSP recording. So that's. Ooh, I don't have a lot of male friends. I need a male friend. This guy looks nice. Yuck. Hello. I'm making. says yo, bro. Bruh. What's your... It's... Let's turn into an ASMR kind of.
Do you like my microphone? Because I don't like my microphone. It's like really old. Okay, bye.
For now, I'm not gonna... What did I just do? I'm not gonna like...
Okay, so I guess like the satisfying ASMR is like really good, so yeah. I'm gonna still find more friends because I don't have friends. Like, you guys don't know that, but like, yeah. You guys definitely do not know that I have no friends. And like, yeah, I've like been really down because I have like, my mic is a camera that like I use. So you guys were wondering, probably wondering why I was like, oh my god, I'm sorry. I just realized that it made no sound. I dropped my microphone and that really annoyed me, so yeah. Okay, let's do some stoof. Oh yeah, I made a friend, yay. Let's invite the friend to be like, yes, I made another friend. Let's do this ASMR. I'm gonna also ask her, is it cool if, like, wait, I don't know what to say. Is it cool, like that we can talk because we're new friends? Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna check over the footage because okay. Hello. I'm back. My real name is not Dublin, so don't think my name is Dublin. Okay, that's just dumb. Who named their child Dublin? Why did you say thank you like a year for something? Okay, bruh. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna like start going because
Okay, this is annoying me. I don't want to do the ASMR anymore. Breathe. Okay. I'm clapping very fast. I'm clapping very fast. Sorry. Ew, her room is... Oh, never mind. So... I have a freaking thing that follows me around. Be right back. I'm gonna freaking reload MSP. I'm back! And I'm very, very cringe. I'm super sorry that you watched my videos because it was your fault. Anyway. Yeah, no. Yeah, she said hi, so I don't know. Hey, I clicked on a boy. I'm back. Y'all are ready for this? Why is everybody asking me that? That's really annoying. I've made friends off camera. Asking that. Why is someone asking me that? And I think that concludes our video today. Our videos today. Say bye to YouTube. Bye-bye! Bye, guys. I love you so much for watching. Oh, my God. Thanks. Thank you. Probably gonna fake, like, doing my, like, cartoonish voice. This is my real voice, I know. It's really weird. So, bye, people. I'm gonna try to be less cringe, and no, my cartoon voice is better. Well, like, it's actually, like, now it feels like my fake voice. Okay, I'm gonna just let go of editing. Okay, stay tuned. Hello, my name is Dublin Boy, and I am this much years old. Okay, bye. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Wait, thanks for what? Goodbye, then. Okay. Just have to. No! Okay, bye.